Hello everybody. Today Leah and I went out for a ride. Stopped on the trail to get something for lunch. But no matter where you're at, you gotta have some hygiene. So I got a 1776 Hygiene Kit. I want to get some stuff out of here and wash my hands. So I want to get one of these out, some stuff out of here, and lay it out and see what all we got. I think somebody done one of these the other day, but I want to do another one. You have to kind of excuse me, I don't really have a tripod. It's got a list on the back of actually what all's in it. But we're going to dump this out in the tailgate of the old Polaris here. Got a wash rag, toothpick in case you're chewing on a piece of beef jerky and get something stuck in your mouth or in your teeth. A little bag, maybe or something. Hand and body lotion, or shave cream. I guess I can shave wise out here. Gotta stay looking your best. Some pocket tissues, never know when someone might need them. A toothbrush. Some deodorant. You gotta smell your best too when you're out in the woods. And this personal women's item, whatever that might be. You get two of them things, you're lucky. Water purification tablet. Comb my hair. Works pretty good. A wet wipe, moist towelette. Some fresh mint toothpaste to go along with that toothbrush. Another moist towelette, and another. You get three of them. You can never have too many of them. And shampoo. I can shampoo my hair too. I'm out here. And the soap. That's what I was looking for. And a razor to use to that thing. I just groom myself before I get out of the woods. What are you doing? All right, I want to get this soap. Actually smells pretty good. My hand's a little bit wet right here. Oh yeah. Put that down there. Wash my hands. Now if I had me a 1776 meal to eat, but I didn't bring none of them. Leah just happened to have this in her backpack. A bottle of water go a long ways washing your hands. And then you shake them dry, or you can get this fancy little wash rag. Actually, this is a pretty good size wash rag. 100% cotton. Dry your hands, and then you're ready to go. Well, everybody, that's what this right here is, a 1776 Hygiene Kit with a bar of soap right there over the label. So, if you need some of these, let me know. I can get y'all some. Comes in pretty handy to carry around in your backpack when you're out in the woods. Just having a good old time. Got a little bit of mud today. First time I ever had mud on this. But anyway, thanks for watching, everybody. Bye.